Alright guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find a good meme coins that have potential to bring you a lot of profits. I'm going to share with you everything, where to trade, how to trade, where to take profits, and basically what filters we're going to apply, how to find if a meme coin looks legit, but it could still be a scam coin. So I'm going to share you these little tips that I'm sure it will help you to become a better trading in the meme coin sphere. So basically, let's go to my framework. That's what we are going to cover today. First, I'm going to show you how to filter out 90% of the noise and spot hidden gems early. So what that means? That means basically most of the coins that you are seeing right now here, they are a scam coins. As you can see, every second new meme coins are created, and I'm sure every one of you has lost money trading this type of coins. They have been rug pulling on you, and basically we are going to filter them out, and the coins that we are going to trade, they have less percentage to be a scam coin. So we are not going to trade new pairs. We're not going to trade final stretch, because here is very risky and you can lose your money very easy, very fast. So this strategy involves the migrated coins and in the discover page. So first, let's filter out the scam coins by applying these filters on migrated pairs. So I'm using axiom.trade. This is the best platform so far for trading meme coins, the most legit ones. They update the features recently, introducing new features. They have a very good reward system. So if you trade a lot, you're getting Solana back in form of rewards. So and also the fees here are cheapest. And if you sign up with a referral link such as mine, you'll be having 10% less. You'll be paying 10% less on your fees when you trade here forever. The link will be on the description. You can use mine or any other link, doesn't matter. So make sure you use a referral link to sign up. Even if you have a registration, just create a new registration with a referral link. That 10% discount on fees, they add up. And especially if you are starting with a small account, they make a difference. So let's see some filters. For migrated coins, basically we're going to use all protocols here. We're going to leave them like that. What these protocols means, these are basically websites that people are creating websites. The people are create meme coins on. The leading one are Pump.fun, Bonk, Moonshot. As you can see, there is a little icon here. If you click, you can see the volume. They call it Market Lighthouse. As you can see, Pump.fun, it's a top launch pad. After that, we have this one, and then we have Bonk. So Heaven by volume, it is the second for the past 24 hours, but the leading one is Pump.fun. Most of the people, they make their meme coins there because it's easier, it's simple, and it doesn't cost you much to create them. But 99% the meme coins there are scams. So be mindful of that. That's why we're going to apply these filters. Click on the filter icon, and then on audit section, top 10 holders. I don't want the top 10 holders to hold more than 30% of that specific coin, and bundle percentage 30% as well, maximum. What that means, bundlers 30% means that one person can hold, let's say, 40-50% of that coin by using different wallets. And when we apply this filter, we are minimizing that risk of being bundled. And market cap, that's the other filter, 70k market cap. So these are the only filters that we are using for migrated coins. And by doing that, the coins that are appearing right here, they have potential to bring us really good profits. They could still be scam coins. Some meme coins, they look completely legit ones, and they can still be a scam coin. So that's why I'm going to show you how you can find this type of coins. So I showed you how to filter out 90% of the scam. Now let's see how you can spot some nice meme coins. For that reason, we are going to use the Discover page. So here as well, we can trade here, but let me show you something else. We go to the Discover page. Here we can find some nice meme coins, but you need to be patient. They won't appear just every second because we applied some filters, and the coins that are appearing here, they have potential to be a legit ones, 90% legit ones, and to give us to make some profit. I mean, they could be legit. You can make some profits, take your profits, and then the coin can go down, but we can make money out of these coins in a more secure way, if I can say it something like that. So when you go on this Discover page, go on trending and click on the 5 minutes. We want to see coins that are trending in the 5 minutes, and we have applied already some filters. Again, top 10 holders, I don't want them to hold more than 30%, and the bundlers, again, maximum 30%, and metrics, we want volume. What means volume? Means that we getting traction, we're getting action here, people buying and selling. There is interesting in that coin. So 30k volume, that's best, and click on apply or ads. So you can see we don't have coins yet, so we're gonna just wait. We're not gonna jump on any random coins from new pairs and hope that it's gonna give us 100x. No, we are going to losing our money if we do that. If you don't find any coins here at this moment, we can just go to pool section and check our migrated coins here. These coins, they have potential to give us some money. So let's click on this simple coin. I think, yes, you see, I took a trade by using exact the same strategy earlier on. Let me show you, but I chickened out. I exit too early. So as you can see, I have entered in 50k market cap and I exited only on 5% profit. So that's why I'm going to share with you a little bit further in this video the psychology side of trading, how you can, because I'm sure some of you, most of you, no, let's say some of you, you making some losing trades, and after that there is this winning trade, and then as soon as you get 10, 20, 30% profit, you're out, and then you come back a little bit, let's say 1 hour later, and you see that coin skyrocketed. So you took your profits too early, and then when you have a losing trade, you're exiting at 90%. You don't take the loss at 10, 20%. If it's a rug pull, I mean, you can't, because it's just gonna rug pull on you. You won't be able, even if you have a stop loss. But in these coins, you will be able to use stop losses, so you can limit your losses. So if I had hold here, as you can see, I would have 165% profit, even more. But that's what I'm going to show you in this strategy, how you can, you don't have to do that. You can exit, but it's good to have more profit. So why not? Then, so let's move on to what we have to, what I'm going to show you here, guys. I'm not some of these fancy YouTubers that just want to highlight what I know and share it with you. So a simple framework to instantly know if a coin has real potential. So let's go back. So how to spot if that coin has a potential to go higher in terms of market cap. So first, you open the chart, and just the first thing you look is just look at the right side at the top 10 holders and the developers, the snipers, the insiders, the bundlers, the liquidity burn, all these sides. So this is a must. You need to check these things if you haven't filtered them out. So top 10 holders mean the shouldn't be more than 20%. The developer holding the best 0. As you can see, when it's green, it's good. Snipers, this is basically bots. They snipe the coin very early and then exit in a small percentage profit. Insiders, it's okay for this coin. And bundlers, like I said, this shouldn't be more than 20-30%, because if it's more, that means one person holds that coin more than 30%, more holds a lot of that coin in a different wallet. So you see here different wallets, but that could be just one person buying from different wallets. That's why we don't want to see bundlers more than 20-30%. Liquidity burned, yes, needs to be 100% burnt, because if it's 0%, that means the developer holds the liquidity pool and it can burn it and I mean, it can dump on you 100%. This is basically gonna be a rug pull if he hasn't burned the liquidity, because he can revoke the liquidity and you can end up losing all of your money on this trade. So it's important to check these things. After that, what I really look is, of course, the chart. The chart shouldn't look like just stairs, just up like that. It should have some movements like this coin. As you can see, this coin has been doing really good. And the important thing for a coin is that why that coin has been created. Is it because of simple tweet of some person? Because if it's something like that, for a tweet, that coin will die really soon. Yeah, it might reach 100 to 100 million and then it will die off. But if that coin has been created behind a community, and if that community is active, that coin can reach more, can reach millions of market cap. I'm not saying that this coin is going to reach that, but as you can see, let's see what we have. Some simple community behind this coin. So let's go to X and see. So when you're checking a coin, if it's legit, if it has potential, open the community and just see how often there are posts about this coin. As you can see, we don't have very recent, actually we do have some recent posts about this coin. So the community is active. So make sure you have if you wanna, as you can see, we have 27 minutes ago. The best thing is you want to see that tweets or posts seconds ago. Do not be like hours. But as you can see, we have 10 minutes, 1 minute, 25, 50 minutes. So this community is still active, 16 minutes. And the coin is performing really, really well at the moment. So this coin is behind a community. It has potential. It has already grown, because as you can see, I spotted this coin here on 50k market cap, really pretty early, but I didn't hold, and basically I sell too early. And the next thing I forgot to tell you guys, the next thing we're going to look over here is the secret trick to catching rocks before they happen, even if they look legit. So some coins, they can look completely fine. They can look, the chart might look well, everything here might look well. Basically, you see that holders are okay, everything looks legit, but the thing that you have to look at, let me show you. Let me just open some random coin. Okay, so everything looks legit here. This coin looks legit here. This coin is behind the community and global fee space. So this is what most people they ignore when they trade meme coins. They don't look here. So basically what these global fees mean. So basically these are the fees are paid by us traders when we buy and sell. And for example, some meme coins I have seen, they have reached 50k market cap, yeah? 50k market cap, and the global fees are around 10, 5, even 2. So that's not right. That means they're buying with some kind of bot that doesn't pay fees or something like that, yeah? So you need to make sure, for example, let's say 100k market cap to have, let's say 10 global fees. The more the better, yeah? That also depends how long the coin has been created for and how long it has been traded, how many trades it has. But usually a coin should have global fees 500k market cap, around 50, 70, minimum 50 Solana in global fees, something like that. Let's say 100k, 10 Solana global fees minimum. So that means they're not only bots that they're buying and selling, and they're real people that buy and sell. I hope you understand me what I mean, yeah? Because, like I said, there's certain bots, they develop them in a way, they use some softwares that just instantly, constantly buy and selling, buy and selling, buy and selling. You will see the chart just going crazy right here, yeah, from buys and sells, but that's just basically, they don't pay any fees, and these are type of bots, and we want to avoid this type of coins. And to avoid them, you need to make sure that the global fees are a little bit higher. That means real wallets are buying and selling that coin. So this is what I look to identify if that could be a rook, even if everything else looks legit. So now let's go to the last part, and in the end I'm going to share with you something really important, guys. So how the psychology of trading, why most people get wrecked, and how you can flip the script in your favor. What that means, like I said earlier, you might be trading and you have, let's say you have 3-5 losses in a row, and then you enter a coin and that coin is on profit, in my case this one, yeah, and then you exit in 5-10%, and then later on when you check that coin, it has reached already millions of market cap, and you could have had 300, 400, 500x returns. So how you can avoid that? I mean, you need to train yourself. For example, if you have a losing trades, don't wait the trade to go to 100%, 99% loss until you exit. Just wait 50, 20, 30%, and then you exit that trade. That way you have more opportunity to trade more and to make that money back. Because many people, they do the opposite. They hold a losing trade till you lose all the money on that trade. And when you have a profitable trade, you don't hold it. You just exit on a small profit like I did here. This applies also to me about that psychology. So what you can do? Let's say you lost 3 trades, and then you have this profitable trade, and you're sitting at 5% profit, let's say, yeah? Don't exit. Just set a stop loss. For example, you come here on sell, choose limit, and basically, if you have a trade here, you move this line where you want to sell. For example, in my case here, let me just zoom out a little bit, yeah? So I have entered here and I want to exit on my entry level. So I'm just gonna put this line here, okay? And basically, if we reach that point, the trade is gonna close. And after you set that stop loss, just get out for a walk or something and come back in 1, 2, 3 hours, yeah? Don't look at that trade, because basically you're not gonna lose anything. The coins that we are trading here, they're not a scam coins. They won't rug on you 100%. So this stop loss, it will be triggered. It might be triggered a little bit further down, but you won't lose the money, so much money, yeah? But if you are on a profit, just let it run. And if you have, of course, if you have conviction in that coin that is gonna perform well, you check there is an active community, there are tweets, I mean posts few seconds, few minutes ago, DEX is paid, everything here looks legit, global fees looks okay, so just let it run and come back in a few hours. And that's how you're gonna train yourself to retrain from just watching the screen, because when you see 5, 10, 20% profit, you'll be tempted to exit. I'm talking from personal experience. So that's how we can train ourselves. When we have profitable trades, we have conviction in that coin, everything checks out, let it run. Set a stop loss. You won't lose money. You just go out for a walk and watch a movie or something, and then come back and check how it is doing. Yeah, that's it, guys, about the psychology side. So we covered everything, but I wanted to share with you a few things as well. So I've showed you the filters here for migrated coins, okay? So these are the coins. We applied some filters. These are the coins that you can trade. They won't rug on you 100%. Yes, you might still losing money, but they won't, like new pairs. Yeah, they just rug on you so quickly that you're not able, you're losing 100% of your trade. So that's why don't trade new pairs. Ignore all that noise over here. Here you are on the safe side. Also, you can come on the discover page. As you can see, we still don't have any trending coins according to our filters because we have set a high volume high number of volumes. So the coins that are going to appear there are going to be really, really active coins. So you can constantly check this page and then on migrated page and then enter each of these coins. Check everything out. Check this site to see if everything is okay. Then come here, check the global fees, check the socials here, see the community, open the Twitter, see what is going on the Twitter if they have a website or Telegram, see the posts, the tweets. In that way, you're going to see if that coin has, active community, because the coins that are doing well, usually they're behind some kind of active communities. Yes, some coins, they do well if they are created on top of a tweet, but they tend to die quicker. Yeah. But if they're behind a community, that community is trying to pump the coin. They constantly share tweets, etc. in Telegram, in X. They try to pump that coin. So there is a chance that coin to perform well in the future, at least until you get your desired profits. Not like me in this 5% profit here. What else to share with you guys? Yes, the benefits of this Axiom platform is that you're getting Solana back when you trade. So if you trade high amount of Solana, not so high, if you constantly trade, you're going to receive some notifications that you're getting some Solana back because of the trading. And also you can, if you refer people with your referral link, share it, post it in socials. If people sign up and they start trading, you are getting some Solana from them when they start trading. It's a win-win situation for all of you because they pay less fees, 10% when they use your link, and also you get some Solana back from them. It's a win-win situation. So I don't see why we don't do that. So for this video, that's it what I wanted to share. The psychology side is very, very important, guys, because I'm sure that many of you have had profitable trades. They exited too early. It may have made up for all of their losses, but they just see 5-10% profit and they exit, like I've showed you. In this case, I did. So this is a lesson for all of us. We need somehow to train our mind to let the runner run, yeah, just to get out of the also step to set up a stop loss. That's important because we don't want to lose our money on that trade when we have been on profit. You can even, let's say, if you're on a 20% profit or something, you can set up your stop loss in a lower, let's say, 5% profit. You still have had profits, but you have more chances to get more money if you let that coin run. And like I said, these fees is important part to check out to see what's going on here. They're not only bots, they're buying and selling, volume bots they call them, because nowadays they develop these bots and it becomes really difficult to spot the good coins from the bad coins. The scam coins, they look legit, but there's still some things that you can check them out. So guys, I think that's everything. Make sure you join my Telegram. I'm posting some signals there. And I wish you luck. I'll be sharing some strategies because sometimes, most of the time, a certain strategy works for a specific period, and after that, it doesn't work. So we need to adapt to the market. So that's why I'll be sharing some strategies that works for me. Okay. And this one is a good one because, like I said, we are limiting our chances of getting rocked, and that's the good thing. Because many of you, I have also been rocked, and it's not a nice feeling to lose your money, trade. So yeah, try this out, guys. Let me know in the Telegram, in the Discord server. Make sure you follow me on X. And yeah, good luck. See you in my next video.